Today was a media event really to focus again on our Make the Call campaign to raise awareness of domestic violence, our efforts to prevent it, and just to try to get out the word that it is a difficult issue, it's a widespread issue, but also one where there's help for people and there are opportunities for people to be involved to help their neighbors in the community. There is a domestic violence problem here and everywhere because domestic violence has really nothing to do with affluence. It is not a problem that is more acute in poorer neighborhoods or among any racial or ethnic group. It is across all groups in the population.
They're afraid, they're embarrassed, they're humiliated, and of course, they believe no one will believe them. So as I stand here today, I want to let you all know that I believe you.
If you're a victim, make the call. If you're a witness, make the call. If you're committing domestic violence and you know you need help, make the call. If you're a citizen who wants to help, call the number.
If you suspect someone you know that's a victim of domestic violence, you make the call. This is the Make the Call campaign. It's Domestic Violence Awareness Month. With all of us together, I think all of us can have such an impact and encourage many, many others to make the call and to get help that they need.